One of the simplest ways to customize a Drupal site through its theme layer is to change the logos. In this video, I'll be showing how to change both the logo and favicon that usually appears at the top of a web browser. So to change the logo and favicon in Drupal, we need to visit the global settings screen under the themes administration page. To do that, we'll start from the administer screen and click on themes. Now that we're at the themes administration screen, we will click on the tab configure to reach the global settings page. In here is where we can actually add the logo and favicon. If you're unfamiliar with what a favicon is, they're also known as shortcut icons, and they appear at the very top usually of your browser next to the address of the site you're viewing. We see there is a small Drupal logo used on the site, but an even smaller version of the logo used as the favicon. We're going to replace both of these graphics. So let's go down to the bottom of the global settings page, and we see these two areas that allow us to upload a graphic file for the logo, and down here, a little form that allows us to upload a favicon. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using the same graphic file for both the logo and the shortcut icon. So to change a logo, let's click Browse, and we're going to pull in the HP_logo graphic file you see here, which is actually a logo for the Hansel and Petal flower website theme that we're going to be building throughout the rest of this course. So this is where this file comes from. So we're going to click OK. And then for the shortcut icon, we're going to click Browse as well and choose the same graphic. Click OK. Now when we click Save Configuration, you're going to notice that the logo and favicon have both been changed. So if you look in the top left corner, we see that the logo is now the custom logo graphic we uploaded. And if you look real closely, the favicon has changed as well. A favicon should be designed at either 16 by 16 pixels or 32 by 32. As you can tell, this graphic is nowhere formatted to be that size, so it doesn't look good as a favicon. I'm sure when you do your own custom logos, you can create a good one for the browser's favicon tab. So after uploading these, where does Drupal save these files? Well, let me show you. So I'm going to open my Drupal folder. I'm going to go into the Sites folder, and then my Lynda Drupal Themes folder, which is this Drupal site we're building. And in there, there's a Files folder where all the files have been uploaded for our content. In here, we can see that there are two new files, logo and favicon. These files are actually the ones we just uploaded. Drupal had renamed them to be logo.png and favicon.png. This is where Drupal is now calling these graphic files for our theme. So I'm going to minimize my Drupal folder. And before I go, I want to actually revert back the logo and favicon to the standard Drupal logo. So let's scroll back down in the global settings page, and we're going to check this box that says use the default logo, and we'll check the box also that says use the default shortcut icon. We'll leave the values in for our custom logo and custom favicon. Those will be just fine. And as long as this checkbox each are enabled, it will override what this path is. So let's click Save Configuration. And you see now both the logo and favicon have reverted back. For people who like the default theme in Drupal, changing the logo is the easiest way to customize the look of a Drupal site without adding or editing any code.